Hello, my listeners. This is Teacher Jaziri, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to look at squaring numbers that end in 9. Now, if you've been following our channel, this is not going to be so hard for you because squaring numbers that end in 9 is equivalent to squaring numbers that end in 1 that we already did, and also squaring numbers that end in 0. So you can use so many methods, but this is going to be very easy. So look forward to it, and I think you like it. Now, by the way, remember, I work for Faster Learning Consulting. At Faster Learning Consulting, we help kids learn mental mathematics, speed reading, and memory skills. Now, do not hesitate to call us if you have a child who is struggling with learning. Okay, so just give us a call. We are the kings. We will make everything. We have a global presence. We have online classes. We make holiday boot camps where we only teach mental mathematics. We teach speed reading and memory skills. So if you our fan already, please share this video to others. This is going to be amazing experience. So let's go on. Now I will just make a divide so that we have a. So suppose you have a number like 29 and you want to square that number. What do? There's so many easy methods on how to do this. And if you remember how we did 34, it's almost going to be the same, but now with the whole number. What we're going to do here is we're going to promote this 29 to 30, okay? And then square that 30, which gives you 900. But because 29 is less, okay, than 30, we're going to subtract addition of the 2. So if you add the 2, you have 9. So if you subtract that one, you have 1, 4, you have, in this case, you have 8, yes. Sorry for that. Let me just put one off. I was using something in something called sutra, or subtracting from whole numbers. That means like the last one, because here we have 0, 0. This is a whole number, and if you want to subtract, you have here 10. You subtract this number from 10 and the following from 9. Okay, so that's basically what happened. And then the last one, you always subtract 1, like subtract 1 from that, reduce this one by 1. So that's why I was having here 8, and then I have 4, I have 1. So that one becomes your answer. So basically, it's again the same procedure. What you're doing is we are actually basically promoting 29 to 30. So let's take another one. This is our B. What is 39 squared? So we know 40 squared, which is 1600. Okay. So then we say, what is 39 plus 40? Okay. We know that is 79. Yeah. So what are we doing here? Again, another nice thing that you can always do is when you do subtraction. So this is subtraction. When you do subtraction, I always say, I have some rules. I say, if it's close to 9, then promote this one also, promote this one to be 80, okay? So that you have here 15, 20, okay? So promote this one. So let me just divert you a little bit. So otherwise we will say, we're going to say 1 here, subtract. But also if you use the sutra, so there's so many methods to use. So you can use sutra and say here subtract 10, here 9, and then reduce this one by 1. So it's going to be 15, okay? And that's going to be 2, 9, and that's going to be 1, okay? So that is another method. Or what I always say is, if you're having, so let's say 1600, subtract 79. So you promote this one to be 80. So 80 is easy, so that you have 15, 20, because you have 79 minus 79 is 80 minus 1. So this one is 80 minus 1, okay? So you basically say, what is 100 minus 80? So that one gives you then 50, 15, 20. And then you always then add that one that you subtract, that you, so you add that one that you, how do you say? So, so you add that one. So then you have something like, 15, 21. So that was the method, and that one makes things very easy. Yeah. So that's the method. You use that. You can use so many methods. So for example, here's 59. If you come here to 59, 900 minus that. So you basically say, what is 900 minus 60? So you know that what is 100 minus 60? Is 40. And then that one you add it later. Okay. So this is all about mental mathematics. Okay? So let's look at another one. The last one I will do See, so let's look at a number like 89 squared. 89 squared, we promote this one to be 90, and then 90 is what we square, and that one will give you 8,100. Okay, now again, as it continues, it's so easy. What we're going to do, we add 89 plus 90. Okay, so we have 170, we have 179. Okay, so again here, the most important thing that I also find very powerful, it's just whether you can add, you can subtract, whether you can do this is whether you can promote this one to be 200. You can always produce. You can say this is 200 minus 21, okay, or you can say this is 180, okay. So then to just if you're subtracting, so that things become so easier. Okay, so we will have something like 180, or let's say 200. Then the 21 that is there, you will just add it later. So if you have 8,100 minus 200, that is already, that's going to give you 7,900. Okay, then that's 79 minus 10 plus 21. So you have 79, 21 as your answer. Or if you're doing mental maths, you can improve this one to be 200 and subtract it, and then you have 7,900, and then you know that difference between 200 and 79, 179 is 21, and that's what you add later if you don't want the long procedure and if you just want some shortcuts like me. Or you say you go 800 minus 179, you use the long method, but still you realize that this is going to be 1, is going to be 2, okay, and here is going to be 80 minus 1 is going to be 70. Yeah, so still it's like long method, but mental method is shorter. So thank you so much for listening to this video. We are Faster Learning Consulting. Please, if you like this video, share with other people, and I look forward to hear from you soon. Comment to our videos if there's anything we need to improve. Would be really appreciative. Thank you so much, and bye.